Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Henna Art by Bia. Today I'll be sharing Eid Liye Mehandi Ka Design 2025 that are trendy, stylish, and perfect for celebrating this special occasion. Whether you love traditional designs or modern aesthetics, there's something for everyone. Let's get started. Segment 1. Classic Gol Tikki Mehndi. Let's begin with a classic round Tikki Mehndi design, featuring a bold circular center with intricate fine details, making it a timeless choice for Eid. Segment 2. Arabic Mehndi Design. For those who love elegant and bold designs, this Arabic Mehndi pattern with floral strokes, paisleys, and sleek outlines is a must-try for Eid. Segment 3. Chand Mehndi Design. Eid is incomplete without a Chand Mehndi design. This pattern includes a delicate crescent moon paired with stars and floral details to give your hands a festive touch. Segment 4. Minimal Finger Mehndi. If you prefer a minimal yet stylish look, this finger Mehndi design with tiny dots, vines, and geometric details is perfect for you. Segment 5. Full Hand Intricate Mehndi. For those who love detailed Mehndi art, this full-hand intricate Mehndi with floral, paisley, and lace-like patterns is ideal for a glamorous Eid look. Which Eid Liye Mehandi Ka Design 2025 was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing Mehndi tutorials. Eid Mubarak in advance. See you in the next video.